Hey you guys, my name is Brittany Sky if you're new here, and today's video is a hair video. It's basically on how I achieved this look. So if you guys want to know how I achieved this look, then keep watching. Also hit that notification bell so that you can see whenever I upload a new video, because we got goals. We hitting them. So yeah, keep watching if you want to see how I achieved this look. What is good, guys? Okay, so another day, another video. For those of you who don't know me, my name is Brittany Sky, and this is my new channel. Yes, welcome back. I am gonna make a hair video with you guys today. Basically, what I want to do is get back on here, do hair, makeup, fashion stuff from time to time. So here we are, the girls who asked for hair videos. Ask and you shall receive. I have so much product in my hair. So basically what I did was I parted my hair in a square, and then I'm gonna do the same here. Next time I should probably do this on clean hair, but I don't know, when my hair is clean, like freshly washed, I don't be wanting to put it up unless it's for like a shoot. It's just like, make it make sense. It's fresh. Why would I put lots of product in it? But also, why would I let it look this flaky while recording a video? So you got your sections here, your two squares. I'm gonna move this hair out of the way, so hang on 1 second. Okay, so what you guys are gonna wanna do is you're gonna wanna take a wide tooth comb like this, and you're gonna wanna part down the middle. And I kind of already parted my hair, so I'm just trying to give you guys a better idea. I have so much product in my hair, so don't mind the little flakes. Honestly, like certain product that I put in my hair, like my hair rejects. My hair can't take heavy product, so this is the result of it. It looks dirty. It's time to wash it. That's why I decided to do this style. So I made like these little squares. We're gonna call these our antlers, okay? And then I'm gonna take my hair here and I'm gonna pin it back. Let's start with the front, okay? So I'm gonna go like this. And then I'm gonna put this, get this out of the way. I'm gonna tell you how this right now. I be finessing my hair. I be finessing my makeup. Filming it, it's a different story. So my hairstylist, like I have had the hardest time finding a hairstylist that really understands my hair. So this hairstylist that I met recently, she told me to use this product. It is the Instant Control Edge and Braid Gel with maximum hold. So I'm gonna take a little bit of that and put that on my hand. And then I'm gonna put it around my hairline. And she told me that she doesn't think this will make my hair flake. So like, whenever I get braids, girl, I will wash my hair the first day. After it's braided, it'll just cast white. And I just don't understand, like. So another hair, like if I wanted something lighter than this, I'd probably go in with my Pro Style. Literally, I've been using this stuff since I was a kid. Psh, they say if it ain't broke, don't fix it. But I wanted to try this because I want it to be a little more sleeker than usual. So I get my Boar brush and I'm gonna just brush that product in, and like it looks pretty sleek already. You could put it underneath your ponytail. Me, I feel like my hair is gonna cover it, so I don't wanna put even more product underneath. If my hair wasn't gonna cover it and it was gonna be higher up and you could see like all back there, then I would put product, but I ain't got time for all that. So you just brush it until you feel like it is as sleek as you want it to be. If you want to break up some of that product, you can wet your brush. I do that a lot. I'm always wetting my brush just to move the product. Let me just tell you this. What you guys don't want to do is you don't want to keep your hair in a ponytail like this for too long, just because I feel like it will damage the center of your hair. I'm going to take my elastic. I'm going to elastic this up, and then I'll be right back. So when I'm going around on my elastic, I double my scrunchies. Like I'll take 2 scrunchies and do it. I don't know why, I just feel like it's easier to grip the hair when I do that. But there's also scrunchies that you could use to like wrap around. I'm gonna go like this. Honestly, try not to do this too much because it kind of messes up the flatness. You know what I mean. So I'm gonna wet my brush a little bit, just a little bit, and I'm gonna just go back over it. So this is what we're working with here so far. So we got our ponytail rocking, and I might take a piece of hair from behind and wrap it around. Let me actually do that right now. So I'm gonna take this piece of hair. So I'm gonna comb this out just a little bit, and then you can braid it depending on how thick you want it to be, and I'm gonna wrap it around just to hide the scrunchie and like the parts that I touched up back there, and then I'm gonna stick it with a pin. And you want to hide the hairpin, so I'm gonna just hide the hairpin back here. Hopefully it stays in place. Honestly, I swear you get the better look. Like if you're going out and you want to do this hairstyle, put some hairspray on it and then blow dry it. Then you put the blow dryer on top of it to like make it hold, and boom. So I took my clip out, and I don't recommend you do this often because we are trying to be less about the look and more about, you know, making sure our hair is not damaged. I'm gonna take these pieces and I'm gonna flat iron over them just to make them really, 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 really straight. So now I'm gonna take this piece of hair, take my flat iron. You don't have to put it on a super high number. I'm doing it once, and you want to get it flat. And what I'm gonna probably do after is go in with some product to make it lay flat and stick together. And I'm gonna do the same thing to this side. So we got this. Now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna grab my hairspray really quickly, and we're going to spray these pieces. So be right back. Okay, so like, do you see how like these pieces right here are not sticking together? You don't want that. So what I'm gonna do, and they still might come apart a little bit if I'm keeping it at that loud with you, but that's okay. It's because the hair is so dirty and oily that it's just, yeah. So I'm gonna take this OGX Argan Oil Morocco multi-benefit hairspray. I'm gonna spray a little bit on my hand, and I'm gonna just kind of pull the hairs together like this, just so like they could stick in place. I'm gonna put a little bit more, and then I'm gonna touch up around it, and then we're done. We're done. Okay, so basically my little antlers are not sticking together. So what I think I'm gonna do is I'm gonna spray some hairspray on it, and then I'm gonna put the blow dryer over it to try to hold it in place. So I'm using Vontae right now, Silk Plus Firm Hold Spray. It's a little bit stronger than the OGX. So take the hair, I'm gonna hold it together, and then I'm gonna hold it like this. And then I'm gonna take my blow dryer. Got my blow dryer, and all I gotta say is thank God I don't have on makeup yet, because I would be, It's in place. We love that. So now what we're gonna do is, I think this is a little secret weapon. So if you want your hair to look more full around the edges, I have this High Beams Intense Temporary Spray On Hair Color. You can get any spray on hair color, just get it in your hair color. And the thing is, you don't wanna spray it too like harsh on your hair, because then it'll show up in a blotch. You wanna hold it away. And I always get nervous. And it's like airbrushing in the areas you want to look a little more full, you know what I mean? And then like here, I went a little bit heavier. So I'm gonna just take my finger, or you could take a brush and you just brush it in. So boom, there's that. And I'm gonna do the same thing to the other side, and then I'll be back. If you want, you can go back over it again with the comb. Like I said, striving for perfection, which isn't real. But yeah, this is basically the look. I might go in and touch up my edges a little bit just to make it look really neat. So you can take a little bit of that product that I showed you guys. I'm gonna take a brush, take a little bit of sideburn out, and then we're just go like this. So it looks like we fresh out the salon. I don't know why, but I feel like it's easier to talk on makeup videos than it is hair. And I feel like way more confident in doing my hair than my makeup. So I take that out, and then I'm gonna take my little brush, and then you wanna hold it in place and then just bloop, just like that. So now that our hair is done, we are going to put on some makeup. Now if you wanted to, you could like flip this out. Like you could do one of these. But like I said, I'm gonna manipulate my hair tomorrow again, so I don't wanna be curling it and doing all these things. I'm gonna just keep it straight and call it a day. But we can do, if you guys wanna see me do like one of those ponytails that flip out like that, let me know in the comment section below. I got you. But this is what it looks like. I'm gonna go put on some makeup really quick, and I'll be right back. All right, so that just about sums up this look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a big thumbs up. Let me know what type of hair videos you're trying to see. Like, I am Picasso. Or what would you call a hairdresser? A chemist? Except we won't be dyeing our hair because that is just out of my scope. But if you guys want to see more hair videos, be specific in the comments down below. Let me know what you want to see. Thank you guys for watching, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. See you in the next one.